Yes, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yeah, brother sister. Yeah, we will join in my programs. What is my programs? What is my matkul? Yeah, my program is English one. Yeah, the student in university of the management class will join the one of the matkul is bahasa Inggris satu. Okay, brother sister, bahasa Inggris satu will discuss, will tells about the first theme is introduction. Okay, I think that's introduction. Yeah, the all student know what in the introduction, something, introduction yourself, and what is the introduction? Yeah, introduction is one of the material, one of the aspect in to start in your life. Yep. Okay. Yes, introduction will the combine is the form. Yeah, brother sister. Next, we know as of the what is the understanding of the form. What is the understanding of the introduction? Yeah, introduction combine is for the speaking in daily activities and understanding of the form on the form related by from the writings. Yeah, writing, what is the form the writing? Yeah, understand from the means is the document which blank. Yeah, the document which blank the space for the information to be interest, but not the introduction by speaking for the examples. May I introduce myself? How are you today? What is your name? How do you live? What is address? What is hobby? How old are you? And so on. Yeah, so the introduction, you are in junior high school, you are in the senior high school. I know you learns about it anymore. Okay, but not the form. The form is you say of the by from the writing. Yep. Okay, brother sister. What is the function of the form and the introduction? Yeah, the function for the form. Yeah, brother sister will see in our slides. Yeah, the star is set for a specific information. Next, collect the same dates, the expression, and etc. But the introduction by for the speaking orally, yeah, brother sister, try to speak in English to start. May I introduce myself? Yeah, I am is blah blah blah. The all my friend call me is blah blah blah. I live in begitu. Okay, and the differences by form and by introduction. Okay, the same as material, but the specific introduction, the speaking in introduction yourself, yeah, but the form is the writing aspect gitu. Okay, ya, next. Yeah, brother sister. About the introduction by speaking, yeah, for the example, you are in the new office on the factory, on the manufacturer. Yeah, you say hello with new friends. Yeah, what do you say? Okay, in the first, how do you do? How do you do? Okay, what is your name? Okay, my name is. Where do you live? And how long? How long you work in this factory? Okay, how many brother sister do you have? How many you how many do you have the child and so on. But for the form from the by writing, the star is heads. Okay, so introduction, the body, and the closing. Yeah, the suitable writing and the suitable for the speaking. So, brother sister. Yeah, the next our slides by from the form. Yes, yeah. The star is okay. Berisikan mengenai interaction, berisikan mengenai tata cara pengisian formulir. Interaksinya seperti itu ya. Next, the body and the closing. Okay, like this. Yeah, next ya. Yeah, but the speaking, I think you try to speak in English, speak to your friends, speak to the another person, the another people. So the next our slide by for the characteristic of the form. Yeah, the first is less to write. Oke, sedikit aja nulisnya. Next, the clear interaction about information to be supplied. Uniformity. Information can be example later and simple text. Okay, like this. But for the introduction, by speaking, you should know about the condition. What is another speak to you? What is the situation? What is the time? Nah, kita harus mengenal dari situ ya. Jadi kalau you are doing in introduction to another person, you should know what is the situation, what is the verses for your talkings. Ya, lawan bicara kita itu siapa dulu, ya kan? Ya, next, brother sister, what is the kind of the form? Nih ya. Ya, there is registration form, application form, and the bank form. Jadi, differences between speaking and between the writing. Writing, you must know about the registration form, application form, and bank forms. About the speaking, you should know about what is your person talking with you, what is the situation, what is this place, and so on. Yeah. Okay, do you understand ya? Okay, brother sister, next. Yeah, the example by the form about writing and the speaking, yeah, the same as for the suitable by example from the form. Yeah, the name, full name, nickname, and so on. Yeah, the differences between the writing and between the speaking. Okay, the writing you should write about the form, the blank form. Yeah, the first name, gender ada male, ada female. So nationality, marital status, date and place of the birth, and so on. But the speaking, you should speak your introduction yourself. My name is, my complete name is, all my friends call me is, and so on. Yeah, okay, I think that you are for so understand, yeah. Okay, about the against that's religion, okay, from the slide like this, yeah. Yeah, brother sister, yeah, the first material by introduction by yourself. So differences between writing and speaking, I think that's, yeah, this is on the exercises. Okay, the exercises is short for the another kind of form by writing and by speaking. Okay, by speaking, it's time for we are in offline system, and we can say, we can speak in English in the class. So the exercises should form another kinds of the form in the internet or another sources. Okay ya? Okay, brother sister, I think enough discuss about introduction by writing and by speaking. So please forgive me. Yeah, I think that you are satisfied in my lecture. See you next time and goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.